We now get straight into the action. Earlier we had the toss and Immaculate Prep won and decided to send Great Start Academy in first. So we begin section 1. And in this section, both teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the Guardian Achiever clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Great Start Academy. In which garden was Adam and Eve placed in the book of Genesis?
Garden of Eden.
Garden of Eden.
Correct. Immaculate. In which river was Jesus baptized?
Jordan River.
Correct. Science. Great Start. Approximately what percentage of water on Earth is usable by humans?
Under 1%.
Under 1%.
Judges, accepted. Immaculate, pure water boils at how many degrees Celsius?
100 degrees
100 degrees Celsius.
Correct. Caribbean affairs, Great Start, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
What's that?
Darl Vaz.
Incorrect, it's Dr. Ralph Gonsalves, Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Immaculate, your turn to look at the monitor and identify this person.
Tony.
Say something.
Tony K. Robinson.
Tony K. Robertson. Okay.
Tony K. Robinson.
Incorrect, it's Mia Mottley, Prime Minister of Barbados. English language, Great Start, spell shambles.
You got this, D.
Mine. SHAMBLES.
Correct. Immaculate, spell pharmacy.
Should I say it? PHAMACY.
Incorrect, it's PHARMACY. Television, Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify this actress. It's a visual.
Oh, Rihanna. Is it Rihanna? No, it's not. Say something. Say something. Carrie Underwood.
Incorrect, it's Regina King. Immaculate, look at the monitor and identify this actress.
Zendaya.
Incorrect, that's Regina Hall. We move on to general knowledge. Great Start. What is the capital of New Zealand?
Quito.
Incorrect, it's Wellington. Immaculate, what is the capital of Sweden?
Sweden City. Just say that.
Sweden City.
Incorrect, it's Stockholm. Sports, it's a visual. Great Start. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Floyd Mayweather.
Incorrect, it's Andre Russell, Jamaican cricketer. And Immaculate, look at the monitor and identify this person. Incorrect, it's Andre Blake, Jamaican footballer. Social studies, Great Start. In which Jamaican parish can you find the Rio Cobre?
St. Catherine. Yes.
St. Catherine.
Correct. Immaculate, in which Jamaican parish can you find the Cabarita River?
Trelawney.
Incorrect, it's Westmoreland. Music, Great Start. Which local gospel artist recorded the single You Make Me Stronger?
Kevin Downswell.
Kevin Downswell.
Correct. Immaculate, what is the stage name of the local gospel artist who was born Calvin Wilby?
Kevin.
Incorrect, it's Prodigal Son. And the bell ends section 1 with Great Start on 5 points and Immaculate Prep on 2 points. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our children from Guardian Achiever. Let your friends know that during study and homework time, you will not be able to play play with the cell phone, internet, or video games. There's a time for schoolwork and a time for play. Stay with us. This match on TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021 continues after these messages.